everyone, Joe here with Speedway Motors Tech Talk, and today Greg is here to install a fire system in a sprint car. The thing we got to figure out is where we're going to put the bottle.
Well, we've looked at the car and we figured out that we have two options. We can either put it on the right side on the diagonal under the seat, or we can put it on the left side on the diagonal. Everybody knows you want to keep your weight on the left-hand side, so that's where we're going to put it on this car. Well, we chose to mount our bracket down low, but when we tried to slip the bottle in, we ran into the pedal. So now we're going to move our bracket up a little bit and hopefully cure that problem. Okay, we're adjusting how we're going to mount our bottle. We're having the gauge point up, so it's the easy way for the tech guys to look at it. We also put the screws from the bottom, so if you ever have to take it out in a hurry, you don't have to remove the seat. Now it's time to run our cable. We've made a bracket. We've decided we're going to run the cable down through, and we're going to mount right here. So we'll just clamp that in place. Then we'll just zip tie our cable along the side here, route around, and install it in our bottle. We're going to leave this green safety tab in until we get the car totally completed so the system doesn't get accidentally discharged.
All right, system is installed. It's really straightforward. Hardest part was finding a place to put the cable and the manual release. But now this car is already in compliance for the 2023 season. If you have any questions about this at all, feel free to give us a call, and thanks for watching.